Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Here is a recently refurbished 3-bed, 1 bath home for sale. All you have to do is just pack your things and move in. All that is needed is your personal touch. The property rests on a quiet road in the well-established Ensom City community in St. Catherine. Enjoy the fruits as the trees bear. Relax and envision the design for the expansion that you can do with all the space around this unit. With multiple convenience close by, you will have no need to go far to get your heart desired. Jerk chicken, pastry, pizza, KFC, or even highly sought after curry dishes. All will be within close reach. The land area of this house is 4,034 square feet, and some other features of this property includes mixed styles, garden area, grilled, fully fenced, central location to amenities, family oriented, road paved and level lot. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 15.7 million or US $102,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.